This primary quick clips for maths demonstrates how to divide using long division. I'd use this when dividing by a number larger than 10. So let's have a look at an example. Here's 504 divided by 14. First of all, I would set it out in the bus stop format. Now to solve this, I will be thinking about 14 and groups of 14. So I'm going to make this easier by listing the multiples of 14 before I start. And here's a list on the right hand side. I've gone down to 14 times 7, up to 98. You can go further, but I'll stick with that to start with, see if that's enough. I've done this list of multiples because it will reduce my working memory load and make it easier to concentrate on other calculations as I'm going. So let's first of all look at the hundreds column. I'm thinking about how many groups of 14 I can divide into 500. I can't get 14 hundreds into 500s, so I need to move on to the tens, and I can see we have 50 tens left, so we're in business because that's greater than 14 tens. I therefore go over to my list of multiples and try and find the multiple just below 50, the first one below 50. 56 is too much, so here we go, 42. So I can see 3 lots of 14 of 42, so I can write my 3 above the tens column. I need to then subtract 42 tens from 50 tens to see what we have left, and I can see we have 8 tens left. I now need to turn my attention to the ones column. How many ones have we got left? Well, I would need to bring my 4 ones down to my 8 tens to leave 84 ones. I then go back to the multiples list, find the first multiple less than 84, and in fact I can see I have exactly 84. It's a multiple of 14, 6 times, so I put my 6 above the ones column. I don't forget to subtract the 84 just to show that we have nothing left to divide, and I can see therefore that 504 divided by 14 is 36, and that's how we use long division with no remainder. That was a primary quick clips maths video. Check out YouTube for more free video tutorials.